Wow, I thought I was recording. It has not been that long since I've done a video. Some of you might be wondering why you're no longer subscribed to my channel. And the thing is, that channel got deleted. I don't really want to get into that right now. Save that for another day. So I had to restart my channel, re-upload all of my videos. I had 500 subscribers and now I'm back into the teens. And if you have subscribed or resubscribed, thank you so much. If you have found me for the first time and you like my video, I would love for you guys to join and to be part of this weird channel. If you had subscribed before and just now found me, if you had subscribed to me before and you found me again, I am so glad that you are back, and I hope that you do subscribe. This will hopefully never happen again because that was heartbreaking. I believe in my last video I was bleaching my roots and I did a bleach bath. And I apologize, my hair has not been straightened or done today, but since then I have bleached my roots again. I didn't want to just keep doing like bleach videos unless you guys like that. Unless you guys want me to show you every time that I bleach my roots, then tell me down below, tell me in the comments, say no, bitch, do it every time. I re-bleached my roots. They're a little bit darker than I'd like. I need to actually buy more bleach, but this is freshly bleached hair. I did it this morning, or my roots. I bleached it. As you can see, all of the orange and the peach is completely out of my hair, so I have a brand new canvas. As you can tell by the title, I figured out what I'm gonna do, or what I did. At this time in the video, I have no idea what I'm doing. I have 2 to 3 colors. My roots are a little bit darker, so I'm going to be doing like one color on my roots and then something on the end. But I have not decided. I'm going to mix colors and then decide from there. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I have always wanted to do my hair these 3 colors. I wasn't really, actually I don't even think it's 3. I think it's more than 3. I mean, I've got the blue roots, the blue double side shades, or death hawks, whatever you want to call them. And then I've got the green, I've got bits of purple. It's like really, really pretty. Let's see, right here, I don't know if you can see. Right here, there's bits of dark green, light green, this is so much fun. And after I first did it, I missed some spots, so I had to go back in. Not even gonna lie about that. It was very, very hard. I'm a single mom now. I have 3 kids, and life is just crazy right now. So while I was doing it, my kids were fighting, and so I was just trying to I wasn't trying to rush through it, but I was just trying to get done. Typically, you know, dyeing my hair is, hold on, see, told you. I forgot what I was saying, but I am super, super excited. I just don't know what to call it because it kind of looks earthy, and I mean, probably except for the purples. It also looks maybe mermaidy. There was also another thing that popped in my head that I can't remember what I called it. Oh, I wish I could remember. Oh, so in elementary school, there was this book called Rainbow Fish, and that kind of reminds me of it. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think, what you would call it, and if anybody can pick a name better than I just thought, and that wasn't meant to sound bitchy or anything, but I want you guys to come up with your own thoughts of what it should be called. I don't know, maybe lagoon. I don't know. I really like it. It just makes me feel fun, and not to toot my own horn and say that I'm fun, but it makes me feel like me, and it makes me feel a little bit younger. If you guys like my hair, if you like how it turned out, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not already, or if you did a while ago and you're not subscribed anymore because my channel got deleted, then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I post new videos. And I'll see you guys for my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!